Welcome to my YouTube channel, and here I present to you the Islamic radicals who created an extremist group in the social network, Tumso Abdurrahmanov Hassan Khalitov Sahab Makalov, and many more. There are many such groups in our social networks. They keep the youth in Europe in fear, and soon I will post a video, and of course I will strive and achieve my goal that such extremists are dangerous for society. All those who surround these people are dangerous people. They threaten and can even kill a person. I will try to convey to the authorities that these people really should not carry the audience in society. We are in Europe. We want to live freely, but their extremist propaganda does not allow us to live. Such people recruit our children, pretending to be Democrats, creating extremism in society. My work hasn't started yet, so to speak, but soon I'll lay everything out as it is. And of course I'll work with the local authorities. That's the only way to stop their propaganda and extremism. I have a lot of evidence against them.